don't know why this happens that whenever I'm filming for YouTube, I look homeless. कोई नहीं, अब जो है सो है. This is what the look is. Actually, the purpose of shooting this video is I was working and I got distracted. And I started self-talk. I thought, shit, मैं बहुत अच्छा explain कर रही हूँ. Maybe I should record myself explaining it and put that out on YouTube so that people also watch it and can tell me how I can improve with my thinking. I don't know if that's weird, but this is what I'm doing. So the topic of discussion with Anjali was, I used to be this person who would restrict herself whenever she came across any bad experiences. So if someone told something to me, I would not talk to that person, or maybe I would, think बहुत ज़्यादा before again initiating a conversation with them. That still happens. I think that is like a genuine example and a practical one, because that still happens with most of it. What I'm trying to say, I should give probably a different example so that you are able to visualize what I'm trying to say. For example, if I'm cold calling someone, ठीक है, I have a list of 30 people to call and किसी एक ने in those 30 मेरे को गाली देके phone रख दिया. I'm cold calling them. Of course, they will abuse me. Not of course they'll abuse me, but of course they might not be interested in what I'm trying to sell or what I'm trying to propose. That is completely fine. And maybe abusing is not the right way to show the other person off. Like, that is not the way. But ठीक है, ये उनका तरीका था. But that does not determine my caliber, or that does not say anything about me. Who am I as a person? Like, उनकी गाली से इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं हूँ, ठीक है, वो एक्चुअल इंसान. I'm not that person. But still that thing would go on spiral in my mind, and मैं उस चीज से बाहर निकल ही नहीं पा रही. I'm not able to think about those 29 people who love my approach, expressing what I want from them in a very clear manner. I'm not able to appreciate any of those things. What I'm doing is I'm going back to that one bad experience, and because of this bad experience, I've decided cold calling is not for me. This is just an example. So you're getting where I'm trying to go. आपका रोड पे एक्सीडेंट हो गया किसी एक दिन. नाउ यू हैव डिसाइडेड दैट यू विल पैक योरसेल्फ इन योर होम. You won't go out. That is just not possible. I mean, you cannot be in your house or your room for the rest of your life without going out. Like, that is just not the way out, right? You're getting my point. Then why is it that with certain experiences like cold calling or maybe like cold outreaching, I don't know why I'm giving such corporate examples. Like, I could give, I just cannot think of anything else, but I know आपको समझ में आ गया where I'm trying to go with this. So why it happens with every other thing कि मैं उसको उस तरीके से देखने लग जाती हूँ कि I'm not good with this. I should probably quit doing this. I should not do this. जब हम रोड एक्सीडेंट के साथ we are not doing this thing. Why are we restricting ourselves when it comes to any other thing? Suppose you went on a ट्रैक, ठीक है, आपकी जिंदगी की पहली ट्रैक थी, ठीक है, आपने डिसाइड किया कि मैं एक ग्रुप के साथ जाऊंगा. दिस ग्रुप को यू डिड नॉट नो, यू फाउंड दैट ग्रुप ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड यू डिसाइडेड कि मैं इस ग्रुप के साथ. नो, माय फोन स्टोरेज गॉट फुल इन मिडिल एंड मेरे को वो चेक करना पड़ा टू पिक समवेयर लेफ्ट राइट. सो you came across, you are hiking for the first time, and you came across this group on Instagram who goes on hiking every weekend. And now one person from this group tells you that you hike really bad. Your whatever you did, however this goes, you performed very poor in that. So this was your first try, right? You tried it for the first time. Now there are two choices. Either you leave hiking at all, that you do not try it ever in your life, thinking, oh, OMG, I'm so bad in that. When you tried once and you didn't really get to know whether you can be good at this or not. You just quit because you encountered one bad experience. Or you do not take that to heart, or maybe you take that to heart for some time and then get over it कि भाई मेरा first time था. Of course, मैं champion की तरह एकदम पहला नहीं आने वाला इस चीज में. This will take time, but eventually I'll get better, and this thing can be learned, right? मैं learn कर सकता हूँ, मैं देखकर सीख सकता हूँ. लेकिन there are two ways out. Now, the same thing happens with life also. The same thing I try to say to myself also. See, you came across this bad thing. That does not mean you are a bad person. Because something bad happened with you does not make you a bad person. You are what you are, right? And now, suppose I'm holding a glass. Okay, I have this glass in my hand, 60 ml, 50 ml, कुछ ऐसे का glass है, and this glass is full of dirt, right? अब मेरे को लग रहा है कि ये ग्लास तो बहुत ही गंदा है, इस चीज को तो इसको मैं यूज ही नहीं कर सकती. So I should probably keep it aside and not look at it at all. is that going to clean the glass? Is that going to, clean all the dirt that is present in that glass? No, it's not. And the second way is I take this glass and I take it to the sink and मैं tap open करूँ and then the water is flowing in it. पहले क्या होगा, पहले वो पानी जितना ही 50 ml का ग्लास है उसको पूरा फिल करेगा कि फिल हो गया. अब फिर क्योंकि मैंने टैप ऑन छोड़ा हुआ है वो पानी ओवरफ्लो करेगा, राइट? नाउ दैट वाटर इज कमिंग आउट ऑफ दैट ग्लास. So along with the water, the dirt is also coming out of the glass. So gradually this glass is cleaning itself. ठीक है, I'm not छेड़छाड़ing anything. This glass is itself cleaning it. And मैं आधे घंटे के बाद वापस आ रही हूँ and the glass is all pristine. ठीक है, there is not a speck of dirt in this glass. So all I'm trying to say with this is कि if you leave something because तुम्हारे को लग रहा है अब इसका कोई way out नहीं है, अब तो ये चौपट is not the right way to think. Maybe इसका way out है, but अभी since you are not in the right mindset आप उस चीज को नहीं देख पा रहे. So maybe you need to give that some time and maybe you need to drink some water, take a cold shower and think again कि इसका way out है and I should probably try this. I should probably take my glass and put that in the sink, turn on the tap so that the glass cleans itself. So that is the way out and this is what I'm trying to tell myself because I kind of had a bad day today because of something not going right or how I planned that in my head and that thing did not turn out well. So I am kind of pissed with myself, but the thing that did not turn out well is something I tried for the first time. Is not my daily job, is not something I've done ever before. It was like first time I'm doing it and no one really taught me or gave me a handbook कि ऐसे किया जाता है वो चीज. I was trying and experimenting, failing and learning. This was my way and then I came across something which probably turned me थोड़ा सा off कि भाई maybe this is not for me and then this is how I'm motivating myself because I cannot tell anybody about it because they might judge me. Again, something to improve. No one's judging no one. You have to improve this actually. Secondly, I think मेरी जो प्रॉब्लम है उसके साथ मुझे खुद ही डील करना है, मुझे उसको खुद ही सॉल्व करना है. आई टेक माई लाइफ एज अ केस स्टडी जिसको मेरे को एंड टू एंड सॉल्व करना है. दैट इज अगेन नॉट अ ग्रेट वे टू लुक एट इट. विल figure that out in some other video कि इसको इस तरीके से नहीं इस तरीके से सोचते हैं. But the whole point of this video was कि if you are someone like me and who thinks कि ये चीज ऐसी हो गई अब मैं इसमें अच्छा नहीं हूँ, जैसे YouTube, I'm trying it for the first time. I don't know so many things, but I'm trying it because I think this is my digital journal. Whatever I have to say, whatever I say to myself, I'm just recording it and putting it out there on the internet so that anyone who's just like me, who thinks it's like me, who's like my twin sister or brother, they can watch it, add suggestions. उनके जो भी inputs हैं भाई this is where you're wrong, they can of course recommend me, or if there's anything to take away from my video, they can take it. So that's all for today guys. I hope मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा बोर नहीं किया है. Ta-da! See you in another video.